Did you know that combining Vaseline with lemon can give you amazing results for your beauty and personal care routine? Although these two substances are quite common individually, together they form a powerful duo that many people overlook. Today I'll show you why mixing Vaseline and lemon makes so much sense, what the benefits of each are separately, and, above all, in what unexpected ways you can make the most of this mixture. Join me until the end to discover tricks you probably didn't know about to keep your skin and health at their best. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of my next tips. Also, I'd love to know if you've used Vaseline with lemon before or if this is the first time you've heard about it. Leave me your comments to share your experiences. Why does it make sense to mix Vaseline with lemon? Vaseline is known for its ability to seal moisture into the skin, creating a protective barrier that prevents dehydration. Many people use it to treat dry lips, calluses on their feet, or even to seal split ends in their hair. Thanks to its thick texture, it adheres to the surface of the skin and maintains hydration for longer. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. It is an excellent natural astringent and helps to lighten superficial spots on the skin. Many beauty routines include lemon to improve the appearance of darkened areas, such as elbows, knees, or armpits, and also to enhance the luminosity of the face. When you mix Vaseline and lemon, you combine the moisturizing properties of Vaseline with the lightening and revitalizing effects of lemon. The result is a product that can help you improve the texture of your skin, smooth out rough areas, and gradually even out its tone. How do you prepare this mixture? To prepare the basic mixture, you only need a small bowl, a teaspoon of Vaseline, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Make sure to use freshly squeezed juice, as this will help you get the most out of the vitamin C. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a uniform consistency. This preparation can serve as a base for different treatments that I will show you below. You will be surprised at how many uses we can give it. 1. Intensive repair for heels and feet, especially after a foot bath. One of the most surprising and favorite uses is to apply it to your feet. If you have dry or hard skin on your heels, this mixture can become your best ally. How to do it? First, soak your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a pinch of salt or, if you prefer, some chamomile tea to relax. Gently pat dry with a towel. Apply a small amount of the Vaseline and lemon mixture to your heels, or wherever you notice the skin is the hardest. Massage in circular movements to ensure proper penetration. You can wear cotton socks to enhance the moisturizing effect while you sleep or rest. In addition to softening your heels, you will notice how roughness is reduced and cracks are prevented. Your feet will feel renewed. 2. Elbow and knee softener. Do you have dark or dry elbows or knees? This is one of the areas that suffers most from dryness and where uneven skin tone can become more evident. How to use. Take a little of the mixture and warm it by rubbing it between your hands. Apply to elbows and knees with a gentle, continuous massage. Repeat the process daily until you notice changes in softness and lightness. Vaseline acts as a barrier to prevent the skin from losing moisture, and lemon contributes to a slight lightening effect with constant use. You will notice the difference in just a few weeks. 3. Night care for cracked hands. Many mature women experience dry or cracked hands due to factors such as hormonal changes, overexposure to water, or simply the passage of time. This mixture can serve as an overnight mask to care for your hands. Wash your hands with mild soap and dry them thoroughly. Apply a generous layer of the Vaseline and lemon mixture. Put on some light cotton gloves, optional but recommended if you don't want to stain your sheets. Let it sit overnight. The next day, your hands will feel much softer and nourished. Plus, with continued use, you'll notice that your nails also benefit, becoming less brittle. 4. Treatment for cuticles and nails. Continuing with the hands, but focusing on nails and cuticles, the mixture of Vaseline and lemon can also provide its benefits here. Cuticle maintenance. The fatty content of Vaseline softens the skin surrounding the nail and makes it easier to clean the cuticles. Nail strengthening. Lemon can help to slightly whiten the surface of the nail, especially if it has become yellowish due to frequent use of nail polish. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage into the base of your nails. You will see how your hands look more cared for over time. 5. Aloe for dry lips. Lips are one of the most delicate areas of our face and tend to crack easily. Vaseline has always been a classic remedy for dry lips, but adding lemon enhances its effects. Lightly exfoliate your lips with a soft toothbrush and some warm water. This removes dead cells. Apply a small amount of the mixture to your lips, especially before going to sleep. Lemon provides a refreshing touch, although you should not use too much to avoid irritation. With moderate use, your lips will feel more hydrated and look better. 6. Smoothing expression lines on the face. Although it is not a professional anti-wrinkle treatment, many women have noticed that this combination can serve as a spot help to moisturize areas prone to fine lines around the eyes or mouth. However, the use of lemon on the face should be done carefully. Nighttime application. It is preferable to use it at night or at times when you are not going to be exposed to the sun, since lemon can make the skin more sensitive to UV radiation. How to apply. Mix the Vaseline very well with a few drops of lemon, warm it between your fingers and apply it with gentle taps, especially on the driest areas. The next morning, wash your face thoroughly. You will notice softer skin. And remember, if you have very sensitive skin, do a small patch test first to avoid any reactions. 7. Moisturizer for sensitive areas of the body. There are other parts of the body that can suffer from irritation or dryness, for example, the inner thighs or armpits. If you need extra care, apply a thin layer of the mixture. Gently massage the area. Let it absorb for a few minutes before getting dressed. The moisturizing power of Vaseline relieves friction, and lemon can help slightly lighten areas that tend to darken. 8. Hair mask for split ends, moderate use. Although it may seem strange, some people use Vaseline and lemon to improve the appearance of split ends in their hair. It is not a substitute for a trim when the ends are very damaged, but it can be a quick palliative. Mix your usual portion of mask or conditioner with a little bit of the Vaseline and lemon mixture. Apply mainly to the ends, avoiding the scalp, to prevent it from becoming greasy. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with plenty of warm water. The hair is left softer and with a slight shine effect. However, do not use it too often to avoid oil buildup. 9. Gentle exfoliant for calluses, hands and feet. If you combine the Vaseline and lemon mixture with a little sugar or fine salt, you will have a very effective homemade exfoliant. Preparation. Add a teaspoon of sugar or fine salt to the Vaseline and lemon mixture. Stir until a homogeneous paste is formed. Use. Apply with circular movements on hands, feet, heels and any areas with calluses. Rub for a couple of minutes and then rinse with warm water. By exfoliating, you will remove dead cells and allow your skin to better absorb the moisturizing combination of the preparation. Important recommendations for safe use. Sensitivity test. Before applying the mixture to large areas of the body or face, do a small test on the inside of your forearm to make sure you do not have any allergies or adverse reactions. Avoid immediate sun exposure. Lemon can stain your skin if you expose yourself directly to the sun after applying it. It is best to use this mixture at night or at times when you will not be leaving the house. Hygiene and preservation. Store the mixture in an airtight container, and, if you notice any change in color or smell, prepare a new portion. Keep everything clean to avoid contamination. One last tip to keep your results high. The key to any natural treatment is consistency. There's no point in applying it just once and expecting big changes overnight. Add this beauty routine to your daily routine, or at least several times a week. You'll notice that your skin's texture becomes softer, your dry areas recover, and over time, you'll even see a slight lightening in darkened areas. And that's all. I hope you found this video useful and that it kept you hooked until the end. You see that the combination of Vaseline and lemon offers very versatile uses, especially for caring for the skin and solving common problems such as dryness or superficial blemishes. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to continue receiving useful and practical tips. Tell me in the comments if you knew any of these tricks or if you plan to try them soon. I'd love to read your experiences. See you in the next video with more beauty and wellness secrets. Have a nice day.